5 years. That's all I'm asking you for. Not your entire life, not some fantasy of overnight success, just 5 years. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to become financially free in 5 years. Before we begin, let's clear something up. Financial freedom does not mean you're a billionaire. It means your money works for you, so you don't have to work for money. It means your monthly income from investments, assets, or systems covers your living expenses. You wake up when you want, you choose what to work on, you're not trapped. Now, here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people will never reach this point, not because it's impossible, but because they never commit. They want freedom, but they also want comfort, and those two rarely go together. Let me give you the exact roadmap I've seen work over and over again. 5 phases, one for each year. Year 1, reset your financial life. This is where most people fail because it's not exciting. There's no flashy money here, just discipline. Step 1, know your numbers. If you don't know how much you earn, how much you spend, how much you owe, then you're not in control. You're guessing, and guessing is expensive. Step 2, cut aggressively. Not forever, just for now. Cancel what you don't need, reduce lifestyle inflation, stop trying to impress people who don't care, because every naira you save becomes fuel for your future. Step 3, kill bad debt. High-interest debt is financial cancer. You cannot build wealth while bleeding money. Year 2, increase your income aggressively. Saving alone won't make you free. You need to earn more. This is where most people play small. They rely on one job, one salary, one source of income. That's dangerous. Instead, ask yourself, what skill can I learn that people will pay for? It could be digital skills, sales, trading, content creation, freelancing. The goal is simple: double your income. Not by luck, but by strategy. Because when your income grows, your options expand. Year 3, build your first asset. This is the turning point. You stop trading time for money and start building systems. An asset is something that pays you even when you're not working. Examples: a YouTube channel, a blog, a small business, investments in stocks or crypto, rental income. Let me tell you a quick story. I once worked with a young man earning barely enough to survive. In year 1, he cut expenses. In year 2, he learned video editing and doubled his income. In year 3, he started a YouTube channel. The first 6 months, nothing. Then slowly, views came. Then money followed. Today, that same channel pays him monthly whether he uploads or not. That's the power of assets. Year 4, scale and multiply. Now you have something working. This is where you scale. You don't start from scratch again. You improve what's already working. If it's a business, increase marketing, improve systems, hire help. If it's investments, reinvest profits, diversify wisely. This is where compounding begins, and compounding is where wealth is created. Year 5, buy your freedom. Now we bring it all together. By this stage, you should have multiple income streams, reduced expenses, and assets generating income. Now you calculate, how much do I need monthly to live comfortably? Then you align your income streams to cover that. When your passive income is greater than your expenses, you are financially free. Let me save you years of frustration. These are the traps that destroy people's progress. 1, chasing quick money. Everyone wants shortcuts, but shortcuts often lead to losses. Real wealth is built slowly, then suddenly. 2, lifestyle inflation. The moment people earn more, they spend more. New phone, new car, new problems. If your expenses rise with your income, you're not progressing. You're running in circles. 3, lack of patience. People quit too early. They try something for 3 months, see no results, and stop. But success often comes after the point most people give up. This journey is not just financial, it's psychological. You must shift from consumer to creator, employee to owner, short-term thinking to long-term vision. Let me tell you another story. A woman I advised years ago was stuck in a cycle. Salary comes, bills, nothing left. Every month. We didn't change her income first. We changed her mindset. She started seeing money as a tool, not something to spend, but something to grow. 5 years later, she owns a small business, earns multiple streams of income, and hasn't worried about rent in years. Same person, different thinking. This journey will not be easy. There will be months you feel stuck, times you doubt yourself, moments you want to quit. But here's what you need to remember. The pain of discipline is temporary. The pain of regret lasts forever. 5 years will pass whether you act or not. The question is, will you still be in the same place or will you be free? Let's make this simple. Starting today, track every dollar you spend. Cut unnecessary expenses. Learn one high-income skill. Start building an asset. Stay consistent for 5 years. That's it. Not complicated, just difficult. I've seen people waste 30 years chasing money without ever finding freedom. And I've seen others change their entire life in just 5. The difference? They made a decision and stuck with it. So here's my challenge to you. Commit to the next 5 years. Not halfway, not casually, fully. Because financial freedom is not reserved for the lucky, it's built by the disciplined. And if you follow this path, there's no reason you won't get there. Remember this, you don't need more time. You don't need perfect conditions. You just need to start.